right? So you can hire like an ADP and pay yourself like you would pay a W-2 employee, but you're paying yourself. But what happens is you get to also write that expense of paying you through your business. So you get to write that off through the business, right? And through an S corp, they have this in New York and other states, a lot of other states, they have a election called the pass-through entity tax. And what the pass-through entity tax is it allows you to pay your state income tax through the business, right? So just some education, and I'm going to dumb it down a little bit, right? So if you're an S corp, for an example, right? The difference between an S corp and a C corp, the C corp, you pay your tax through the corporate level, through the corporate business. Through an S corp, the profit of the business passes through the individual. So me, I have an S corp, right? I pay my taxes on my profit of my business on my individual return with my wife, right? So that profit gets passed down to me, and I pay it through the individual, my individual return, right? So me, the individual, is responsible for paying state income tax, okay? I can pay now that state income tax through my business, okay, and get a huge write-off at the end of the year, depending on what my state income tax level is. I've done it for some businesses, and they've been able to write off $50,000. I've done one. We did one a few months ago. We ended up saving $125,000